$40 million a month. That is how much we do in online course and community sales here at Bad Marketing. I'm going to show you how, as a creator, you can launch an entire digital product business and literally start transacting and selling your program or community in under 60 seconds. It is time to trash everything you know about school, Kajabi, and all these other platforms, because there is a new kid on the block, and I've been using this software since 2023 for all our clients, including our own products as well. If you're someone who's selling any sort of info product, digital community, online coaching program, or anything in that realm, and you're not using this product, you're going to be left behind. It's so simple that in today's video, I'm literally going to show you everything from my phone. I'm not even going to log into the computer. I'm going to show you how to do it all from my phone and how we can build an entire course and community, all with the platform called Whop. Now, as you can see on my screen, there's a lot of really cool tabs, features, things like that. I'm going to jump through all of those for you. But before I do, I want to show you how fast I can create my own Whop from scratch and literally start selling my course and community in a matter of minutes, right? So I'm gonna go over here to my dashboard. You can see some of the Whops that I'm participating in or own. At the top right, I'm just going to click this plus. And just like that, I'm already starting to build my own Whop, right? So I'm going to give you an example here. I'm going to put it in my Bad Marketing organization. Continue. I'm going to name it Bad Marketing Example. Check this out. Give it a headline: best marketing community in the world. And it builds me an example. So check this out. I can sit here, I can add description. It's going to show all the reviews that are on here. These are all authenticated reviews, etc. And then I can sit here and actually build out this entire landing page where I'm going to sell people, right? So I can upload media. Just an example here. I'm going to put a picture of my car so you can kind of see what it looks like. I can put my VSL here, other video selling tools. I can go down, add a description. The last community you need, I suck at typing, you need for your marketing. Okay, save. Boom, just like that, it's already in here. I can change that. I can show different reviews. I can show different members that are in here, etc. I can put my own bio. I can put all the information about myself so they know who they're actually buying from. Add persona. I can add different plans. I can add FAQs. I can show all the reviews that are here, and then it'll show other Whops that I currently have as well. Now, the crazy part is I did this all in a matter of seconds, right? So I can sit here, I can add logo, I can keep building this on and on. But I think you actually get the point. So literally from here, in a matter of like just uploading my logos and other things that I don't currently have on hand right now, it's over. I'm done, and I have a Whop that I can start selling. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take you to an example of one I actually currently operate, right? So you can see here, I can view the Whop. You can see what the final version would look like if there was actually a video. You can see the headline, description. You can see all the other people that are in there that are currently active. You can see all the things that I get: community, chat, announcement, etc. And then you can see more information about us, right? Who I am, you know, all the things that we stand for as a community, etc. So the cool part from here is, like, sure, I have all these things, but what I can do is I can actually start making payment links. So if I scroll down here from the Whop, in situations where, you know, you have different salespeople, you want to give them each different commission, you want to spin up a random deal for someone who's on the call right now, literally from my phone without ever having to log into a desktop or anything like that. I can literally make a custom link right here. I can go in, create a custom link. I can call it whatever I want. Test for video as an example. I can go pick which Whop it's going to be for. Do I want to send them to the checkout or the store page? In this case, I want to send them to the checkout, right? And then just like that, I can pick the pricing, right? So I can pick existing pricing, which is things that I already have. I can create a new option. So example, for the sake, I'm going to make a new option. I'm going to make it paid. I'm going to make it subscription, and I'm going to give it to them for $97 per month. Let's see. I can add a trial. I can add an initial fee. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm going to say done, save, and boom. I literally have a link right here. I can literally open this link anywhere else. So I'm going to show you an example. So here's a link actually pulled up. If I actually sent this link to someone, they clicked it, this is what it would look like. They can put in a promo code. They can pick all the credit card options that they want. And the cool part is, if I have financing available, which this is one of the sickest parts of Whop as a whole, they have so many different financing partners that will allow you to literally, as a customer, just go in here, click financing, just like it would be if I'm buying something on an e-commerce or Shopify store. And in a matter of seconds, I'm approved for financing. So as someone who's selling a high ticket product for thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars, it's so convenient to be able to have an option on here where I can actually pick different financing partners, right? Now in this product, I picked a $97 a month product, so I'm not putting it on there, but you can literally in a matter of a minute or two get approved for financing on Whop and be able to start selling your products via financing. The cool part is they also have features like Apple Pay, right? So for all my like low ticket products like this, like $97 a month, I would activate Apple Pay. And instead of someone sitting here and typing in all their information, blah, 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 they just get in here on the checkout, they double tap, and boom, in a matter of a second, they're subscribed to whatever product it is that you're selling. Now, the cool part is I've tested this on client accounts, and it's taken some of these clients' accounts from 1% conversion rate, meaning 1 out of every 100 people that reach the checkout actually buy, to 10% checkout rate, meaning 10 times as many people are checking out just because of small features like Apple Pay or financing across the board. And that is some of the stuff that makes Whop so powerful of a platform. Even if you're not selling these digital products, Whop actually allows you to create your own checkout links, even if it's for services, right? Like I'm an agency owner. We process a lot of our payments through Whop, not just directly through Stripe. We go through Whop because we have options like financing, we have options like Apple Pay, and it allows us to make these transactions go by a lot smoother, and we're paying the same amount of fees that we would be on Stripe anyways, right? The cool part is I'm able to manage them all in my Whop dashboard, which I'm not going to get into too much here, but I'll show you a quick example. So you can see here, just an example, you can see here finances, payments. I can kind of see all the people that are paying here. I can see all the ones that are succeeded, failed. I can see my payouts. I can see disputes. I can see resolutions that are happening. I can see my total MRR. It's really cool to be able to see this all in one place. This is literally on my phone. I don't have a single other course creator application that allows me to do anywhere near what I'm doing on here. And I'm just showing you literally the surface. Now let's see what the customer sees, right? We've kind of got an idea of you as a business owner, what you need to do, how it would look like, but what does a customer see, right? And as I kind of scroll through right now, you can kind of get an idea here. On the left side, on the bottom, it's home, it's the feed, right? So I'm basically all the different groups that I'm in, different courses, different programs. If I'm in 5 different programs as a consumer and as a student, I don't need to sit here and switch between all of them. I could literally read all about them in one place, or at the top, I could just literally pick the one that I want to, and it'll jump me to it, right? So the cool part is I can filter this a million different ways how I want. But the point is, as a consumer, I no longer have to jump between course and course and course just to kind of read what's happening in the feed. I can read them all in the same exact spot, right? Massive feature. Next one is the discover. Now, this is something really cool that I think Whop does better than all its competitors, is it gives a marketplace that everyone is allowed to participate in, right? And so Whop is naturally promoting your products on Whop. And the cool part is their algorithm is getting better and better. So I'll give you an example. If I'm really into sports betting and I'm in like 4 or 5 different sports betting communities on Whop, Whop knows that, right? And it knows my behavior. And so now on my Discover page, it's gonna feed me different Whops that I'm not a part of that are in that same space, in this case, sports betting, right? And so it's gonna allow opportunities not only for the creator to be able to reach more students and reach more people in their program, but it's gonna allow for the students themselves to be able to find other creators based on the tags that they are participating in, which means they're going to be fed things that they like, things that they want, and things that are going to benefit them. It's a win-win across the board. I don't see anyone doing it to this level like Whop is. It's pretty cool. Now, another really cool feature for creators outside of what you see in front of me, because it hasn't been released yet as of the time I'm shooting this video, is the fact that Whop is actually going to be creating opportunities for you. So let me give you an example. Let's just say I'm on this Discover page and I want to search for things like sleep training for babies. Okay, sleep training for babies. And I'm going to go in here and boom, there's going to be really nothing in here that's actually going to be related to what I want, right? What Whop is doing now is it's going to give you the actual search volume and say, hey, Eddie, there isn't any communities on here, but there's 11,782 people searching for similar keywords. This is a massive opportunity for you to start a program in or start teaching on and be able to provide those kind of insights to creators, which is absolutely fucking nuts. Now, the last thing is messages, right? Now, this is a cool part here. Obviously, you can tell I don't use this much because I'm managing my Whops. I'm not necessarily sitting in here as a creator. But the cool part is I can sit here and I can go into different community chats with each certain Whop that I'm in. So I can not only just go direct message to message with me and my peers, me and other students, but I can actually jump into group chats that are in my communities and message everyone just like it would be like a normal iMessage chat. I can add pictures, I can add documents, I can add memes, GIFs, everything like that. It's really cool being able to have a personalized chat like that where I can communicate with everyone in the community. But if I want to, I can sit here and I can make new group chats. I can jump into whatever I want. So I'll give you an example, new chat. All these people that are involved in my Whops that I'm directly communicating with, I can literally just start a chat with. I'll give you an example. I'm gonna message Hunter right now. Hey Hunter, how's it going? And boom, just like that, Hunter, who's in the Whops that I'm in also is going to be able to chat back with me And just like that, I'm now not only connecting on the community level, but I'm connecting on a personal level with the people who are in this program. Now, I showed you all the new features that Whop just came out with. There's hundreds more. There's so much more to this software and product. I've been a part of it for about a year and a half now, watching it change month over month with new updates, new features, and absolutely crushing all the competition. But just keep in mind, this isn't just a creator platform. This is a payment processing platform that is elite to every other that I've worked with. So even if you're not selling a course or community or whatever it is, even if you don't want to refer your clients to this platform, you can use this platform to just process your normal business payments on. If you want to get VIP access to Whop and its newest features every time they come out, and be able to have access to the same team that works on my accounts personally in the Whop headquarters, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. Make sure you sign up through that link, make yourself an account. It'll take you 60 seconds. The Whop team will personally reach out to you and help get you onboarded so that you can start seeing some of the success that some of our clients are seeing, as well as we are on the platform. So go ahead, scrap all the competition, scrap all these old outdated softwares that are dinosaurs in this space. Get with a new kid on the block named Whop. Go ahead and click the link in my description and take your coaching online business to the next level with a next level software and platform like Whop.